हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम करने वाले हैं केमिस्ट्री के चैप्टर 1 का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज डिटरमाइन द एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एन ऑक्साइड ऑफ आयरन विच हैज 69.9% आयरन एंड 30.1% dioxygen by mass. So this table we have to make. There are total 7 steps in this table. First we will write name of the elements, then their symbols, then percentage by mass, then atomic mass, then mole, and mole is calculated by percentage by mass upon atomic mass. Then simplest molar ratio, that is calculated by moles upon the least mole from the two elements. And the simplest whole number molar ratio is calculated by multiplying the simplest molar ratio by 2. Okay. So now let us calculate element name. So first element name is iron. Now second element name is oxygen. Now their symbols. Symbol of iron is Fe and symbol of oxygen is O. Now percentage by mass. It is given in the question. Percentage by mass of iron is 69.9%. Percentage by mass of oxygen is 30.1%. Now atomic mass. We have discussed in our previous classes. In 9th class we have learnt about the atomic mass. So we know atomic mass of iron is 55.85 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16.00. Now mole. This mole is calculated, as I have told you, that percentage by mass upon atomic mass. So iron percentage by mass is 69.9 upon now we will write atomic mass 55.85. So the answer by solving this will come 1.25. Now let us calculate mole of oxygen. So percentage by mass is 30.1 upon 16.00. So the answer is, by solving this we will get is equal to 1.88. Now simplest molar ratio. I have told you in the starting of this video that how it is calculated. So see, in this mole which is the least, of iron or of oxygen? Of iron. The least one is of iron. So these will be, the mole will be divided by the least one, means of by iron. Now let us divide them. 1.25 divided by 1.25. So in this answer will be 1 is equal to 1. Now we will simplest molar ratio will calculate of oxygen. The upper one is 1.88 divided by 1.25. Now the answer will be 1.5. After solving we will get 1.5 as the answer. Now simplest whole number molar ratio. How it is calculated, as I have told you, will multiply 2 with this simple molar ratio. In this of iron is 1. If we will multiply 2 with 1, then what we will get? 2. And now in oxygen, if we will multiply 2 with 1.5, then we will get 3. So now we have got our answer. The simplest whole number ratio is 2:3. So the empirical formula of this is Fe2O3. I hope this video will help you, and this is the most important question of chapter 1 of exercise 1. Okay, thank you all of you, have a great day.